Hi guys, we came to Automation Expo. Here we have the company Old 3D. So Vikrant is here with me. So he is just going to show us, just give a little bit about this 3D machine, like how we can do it. We can take a 3D image out of it and we can print it in the printer. Okay, how it is done, we will see a short video on it. So where I will be standing there and the machine will be taking images. So after that, it will be displaying it in the screen. So in this screen, we will be able to see the images of the person. Correct, sir?
Yes.
So this will be in what format, sir? Actually,
So the machine will take your 300 photos.
Okay.
And that photos we will create from that photos we can create STL model out of it.
Okay.
So like this model is created in this machine only.
Okay.
After creating the STL model, we will print it in the 3D printer.
Okay.
So that's the basic process of the scanner.
This image clarities, all those things, whether we can vary it, number of images.
No.
So it is a fixed 300.
Fixed thing. We have to just press the start button.
Okay.
Nothing else.
Okay.
You can stand over there. We can start.
Yeah.
This is the start button. I just press the start button. It takes only 10 seconds to scan PK.
So here now I will be able to see the images.
Yes.
Okay.
So from here you can see the images. Right. This is our 300 images. From every angle.
Fine, sir. Thanks, sir. Thanks, Paul. Thank you, guys.